Yes, now I got the car. Now what to do with the car?
Inappropriate times to produce a weird voice. Forgive me, Father, for I have sinned.
I will crush you to your house. Ow.
We're getting close. That's right, we're getting close.
Now what the hell? Why would you crush someone's house? Don't do it to the helicopter, please. That helicopter is crazy.
Peter, come, walk with me.
Whoa, 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 whoa. Boom.
No one's gonna kiss you like a mother.
Bye bye. Make fun of her for crushing my bone.
Sky high. Look at me, point at things and name them camera.
Crush to your house.
One guy there.
Hold on.
Hey, no hair.
Get your balls out of here, man. Get your balls out of here.
But you don't see me.
Wow,
Because
crash
I'm
into him.
protected by these trees.
Crash.
I've imagined what our life would be like. You and I together, our kid on the bike. You and me at Thanksgiving. Who will come the taking? When will it ever become?
Get your turkey.
I'm stalking you. I see you there. You don't think that I see you, but I've wanted this all of the while. I know you're watching at night when I am.
No, that was the same kind yesterday. Time to run your balls again. Time to run your ball. Your balls out of here.
What if they say once you plug in?
Cause to your own house.
My name is Noah. I am 11 years old. I'm a St. Jude patient. Noah means everything to me. He is just my whole heart. My whole heart. After Noah's diagnosis, initially it was this moment of praying for a miracle because it was a massive tumor in the left side of his brain.
I said, move you stupid little block. Move you stupid little block.
For just $19 a month, you can become a St. Jude partner.
No, you know what? Crash to your house.
As a parent, you trying your best could be not enough. And seeing the 3-year-old going through what she's going through, it's tough. I try not to think into the future. But then when your child loses their hair, that was hard. You just want to help your child. Please don't wait. For just $19.
No
You
hair.
can make a difference in the lives of these kids. I thank you guys from the bottom of my heart. Everybody
Oh,
that
the car
gets to
crash.
St. Jude, they have to keep doing what they're doing. Because without them, these babies wouldn't make it. Join with your credit or debit card for only
Now I can run over your balls.
and we'll send you this St. Jude t-shirt you can proudly wear
Oh,
to show your support. It has been a very tough
shucks.
journey
I
for
lost
such
my
a
tires
small
again.
girl.
lost my
For
tires.
St. Jude and the donations, I don't know where Maisie would be. And brave. And courageous. And courageous.
What can I do without
Love
tires?
you. Love you.
Help St. Jude find more cures for more children. Please donate now. At Walden University, we don't just talk about making a difference. We do it. We get the job done.
Because to us, every day is a chance to leave a lasting impact. Every day is a chance to do something that matters. And that's why we work to create meaningful change
Bruh,
within ourselves
stupid
and our
card.
communities.
Now it's your turn.
Guess I'll just have to.
Get the W. Walden University. Set a course
Who's
for change.
that in
This
there?
is an important message for victims of asbestos exposure. Even if you smoked, if you or a loved one were diagnosed with mesothelioma or lung cancer or any of the diseases listed on your screen, call the